Brevo Shopify integration tutorial. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to integrate your Brevo into Shopify. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we continue, I just want to let you guys know that you can get free access to Shopify for 3 days, followed by 1 month at only $1 per month. So I will leave a link down in the description below, which will take you directly to the Shopify website, and by doing so, you also support the channel. So yeah, let's get right back into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to have both accounts on Shopify and Brevo. So once you're done making your accounts on both websites, what you can do is to just customize your online store in Shopify, etc, etc. And then after that, what we need to do now is to download the Brevo app in Shopify. So to do that, what you want to do is just go to apps right here, click on this arrow, and then just go to all recommended apps. And then from here, what you want to do now is just go to the Shopify App Store. And then from here, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and then just search for Brevo. And then after that, you would see a lot of options on Brevo apps that you can choose. So they have Push and Owl Brevo Email Push and Brevo Send in Blue by CombiDesk. But the app that we need to download right here is this one right here, Push Owl and Brevo Email Push. So just click on this, and then after that, just click on install. And then when installing, this page will pop up. So the Brevo app will ask you that it needs access to these types of data right here, like your personal data and your store data. So once you're sure that you want to share this kind of data to Brevo, just click on install. And then there you go. So after that, you'll be redirected here. So just click on next. Then after that, it will ask you, tell us more about your awesome brand. So what you want to do is just fill out the details right here, like what is your industry, what do you sell, and your preferred language. So just fill all of these up. So for example, I'll just answer these. So what is your industry? So let's say it's not on the list. Then let's say we are selling digital products, I guess. Yeah. Then after that, just click on next. Then after that, lastly, let's enhance your store's shopping experiences. So enhance shopping experiences with Push Owl's theme app extension. So ensure seamless store functionality and superior customer journeys. So what you want to do now is to just enable the theme app extension. So just enable that, and then it will redirect you back to Shopify. And then there you go. So as you can see, we need to enable this right here. So make sure that Push Owl app embed is enabled. And then once you enable it, what you want to do now is to just click on save. And then there you go. We have now integrated Brevo into our Shopify store. And then after that, what we can do right here is just exit out of here. So just click on exit. And then from here, what we can do now is just go to apps and then just open up the Push Owl and Brevo app so we can configure our settings. So there you go. We are now in the dashboard of Push Owl. But before we proceed, I just want to remind you guys that you can get free access to Shopify for 3 days, followed by 1 month at $1 per month. So again, I will leave a link down in the description below, which will take you directly to the Shopify website, and by doing so, you also support the channel. So when you click on the link down in the description below, when I go to select a plan right here, these 3 plans right here, the basic, Shopify, and advanced plan, will only cost you $1 per month. So the original price for basic is $19. For the Shopify plan, it's $49. For the advanced plan is $299. But when you click on the link down in the description below, these 3 plans right here will only cost you $1 per month. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And let's get back to the video. So what we need to do now is to upload a logo. So if you already have a logo, just upload it now. But if you don't, you can try creating your own logo in Canva. Then after that, what we need to do now is to just finish all the tasks right here and get started. So the first one is set up web push notifications. So if you want to set this up, just click on set up, or you can just do this later. And then after that, we need to set up our email. So establish your email marketing framework to send your audience personalized messages to their inboxes. So this direct line of communication allows you to engage with your audience effectively, keeping them informed and interested in your offerings. So what you can do is just input your work email right here, or your company email, so that you can make personalized messages to your customers about the products that you are selling. So what we need to do now is to set up our email. So just click on email right here, and then after that you'll be redirected here. So just follow the steps right here. So just click on next again, and then just input your email right here. So input your store email right here. So after that, just click on verify, and then if it says store verification failed, what you can do is to just contact your customer support. But if the verification succeeded, you can now proceed to the next steps. Next is for the web push. So just click on web push right there, and then what we need to do here is to set it up as well. So just click on next, and then just click on get started. And then there you go. We have now access to the web push dashboard. So in here, we will get to see the revenue generated, the total campaigns sent, our subscribers, and impressions consumed. And then as we scroll down, we will get to see our subscriber gain. So there will be a graph right here that will show the subscriber gain. Under the web push section, what we can do is to create a campaign. So just click on campaigns right here, and then from here we can now start creating a campaign. So in creating a campaign, just click on new campaign right here, and then from here we can now customize our campaign details. So for the sending options, we can either send it now or we can schedule it if you want to. For the campaign type, there is regular campaign and flash sale. So for regular campaign, send a campaign about your sale or products, while for flash sale, send a campaign with an expiry date on it. And the next is subscribers, or segments I mean. So select a segment that you would like to send the campaign to. So you can either send this to all of your subscribers or you can filter those out. And the next is advanced campaign settings. So from here you can enable smart delivery. So personalize the delivery time of your campaign for each subscriber by sending them the notification when they are most likely to be active. And then once you're done setting all of these up, just click on continue. And then there you go. Now from here, we can now set up our campaign. So we can add a title, the message, the link, a discount code, buttons if you want to, and your logo, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these out. So right now, let's try to add select some sample details right here for our campaign creator. So for the title, let's just add like summer sale is here, and there you go. And then let's try to input a simple message: avail these items on a cheaper price. And then after that, you can enter your primary link right here. So what is your primary link? So your primary link is your Shopify store. So just go to your Shopify store, and then what you want to do is to just view your store and then just grab your link from there. So just copy your link of your Shopify store, go back to Push Owl, and then just paste your link there. And then when people click on the link on your email, they will be redirected to your Shopify store. And then after that, you can also add a discount code if you have one. And then you can also add buttons. So for example, we can add like a button that says click here. And then what you can do is that it redirects them to your website. There you go. So as you can see right here on the preview section, there's a button right there that says click here, and then it will redirect them to my Shopify website. And then what you can also do is to just add your logo right there. So when you click on add logo, you'll be redirected to your file explorer, and then what you can do is you just find your logo, and then it will be uploaded right here. And then once you're done customizing the details of your campaign, what you can do now is to just click on continue. And then after that, it will now show you the summary of the campaign that you have made. So it will show you the summary like your campaign type, campaign gets delivered to when your campaign starts. And then on the right side right here, you'll get to see a preview of your campaign in different kinds of platforms. So they have a preview on iOS, Android, Windows, and for Apple. So yeah, so once you're done customizing all of these, just click on send, and then it will be sent to your subscribers. And then there you go, you are now done creating your campaign. And then what you can also do is that you can use their SMS feature. So basically what this does, it also allows you to send campaigns but through SMS messages. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to integrate Brevo into your Shopify store.